understand what you're shooting and how to shoot it. Taking the perfect shot is as simple as hitting a button. But what if you don't? It's okay, because Aurga does. Introducing Aurga. It's your intelligent camera assistant and personal storage cloud. Aurga learns from a database of thousands of professional photos that it divides into specific scenes. Select the one that matches what you're shooting, and it optimizes your settings for the best photo possible. Aurga can even capture scenes with high dynamic range. It takes 3 photos at different exposures and combines them into a single HDR image. And its database is constantly being updated, so you'll always have the right technique for any shot. Aurga also lets you control your camera from up to 100 feet away. You can see a live preview, adjust manual settings, and activate the shutter. You can review both photos and video, as well as share your content to social media. Aurga helps beginners learn the fundamentals while being a valuable time saver for professionals. For time lapses, beginners can select a preset mode, while experienced users can expose the changing light by the hour or even minute. You can preview your time lapse when it's finished and export a video directly from the app. Aurga is also a personal storage cloud. With its micro SD slot, you can store up to 256 gigabytes of extra memory. Now you can back up full SD cards right in the field. And with a 12-hour battery that can charge your phone, Aurga keeps you shooting longer than ever. At the end of the day, Aurga connects wirelessly to your network-attached storage and backs up your work automatically. From capture to storage, Aurga intelligently enhances every part of your workflow. It's your ultimate camera assistant.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Oliver.
And I'm Richard.
We are the creators of iflow, a portable dolly for professional and amateur needs. We quickly realized there was a lot of professional equipment accessories that had not yet been made accessible to the public, limiting video possibilities. Up until now, mostly all accessories were too heavy and bulky, restricting filming and making long shots impossible for any spontaneous or solo filmmaking. iflow opens up a whole new range of video possibilities for any kind of filmmaker. iflow stabilizes camera movements, enabling a fluid, professional quality shot no matter where you're filming. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, the iflow is designed for compact cameras, SLR cameras, and smartphones. So when it's time to film, simply attach your smartphone or any other device weighing up to 2 pounds and latch your iflow to any flat surface around you. It's that simple. Made with premium reinforced plastic materials, the iflow is less than 8 inches long and weighs less than 1 pound. Its soft polyurethane wheels add smoothness to your movements and absorbs any vibrations created by the surface. The iflow can be used both horizontally and vertically, of even inclined perspective. Bring iflow anywhere and everywhere, and iflow will bring your video to higher levels. heavy-duty clamp structure surrounds the surface and stabilizes the dolly, as a set of 2 springs secures the iflow tightly to any surface ranging from 1/4 inch to 2 inches wide. Need a wider angle? You simply have to pull the wheels and change the angle to the wide surface position. If you prefer to use iflow on a flat surface, open the clamp system to its maximum and the lock system will automatically keep iflow in position.
Our design is not complete. The prototype is tested and ready for production.
All we need is your help for the injection mold, making this new product available to the market.
Filter. The Aurga Aperture Power GXND is a hard transition, graduated neutral density filter with continuously variable range with up to 5 stops. Using the Aurga Aperture Power GXND, we can maintain proper exposure of the shadows without blowing out the highlights. The beauty of the Power GXND filter is that one can dial in a proper exposure for both highlights and shadows. Graduated neutral density filters have fixed values of how much light can stop. They typically only come in single stop values, with no fractional values in between stops. With a Power GXND filter, all you need to do is to rotate the filter until you get the desired result. It is as simple as that. We include a slim adapter for directly mounting the Power GXND filter on lenses, which allows for rotation and single-axis movement between the filter and the lens. We also provide an adapter plate to use the Power GXND filter on a square filter system. The Power GXND is based on the innovative PowerXND filters that we introduced in 2016. The Power GXND features the same multi-layer nanocoatings from the PowerXND 2000. These coatings are able to repel oil, water, dust, and dirt onto the surface of the filter. We have added hard stops to the Power GXND to limit rotation. This was a highly demanded feature, especially for video usage. The Power GXND also features a brand new direct reading scale, another highly demanded feature. The Power GXND features Shaw B270 glass for today's modern high-density sensors and 4K video requirements. The Power GXND filters are offered in 3 sizes for a multitude of lens coverage requirements.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.